Hello and welcome to this Item UI tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to create an end-of-day form in our ship system. If you have completed multiple label printing tasks and you need to print the end of day to facilitate carriers to pick up the goods in batches, please refer to the following operations. First of all, please make sure that your computer has installed the Printer Hub application. If so, please run this application before the printing. If not, please click Settings button in this corner, then select Printing. Click here to download the Printer Hub application, and then please kindly refer to this guide to install the application and learn how to use it. After that, let's go to Shipments of the left side on the screen, then go to End of Day. The End of Day feature only supports these carriers which are listed here, such as ND, DHL, and so on. As we can see, there are two other tabs. One is open and another is closed. Here we can navigate to the Closed tab page. It will show all closed shipments with the detailed information, including close date, ship from address, carrier, and the number of shipments. If you want to reprint the shipment, you can select it, then click the Print Selection button. Select the printing machine, then click the Print button to complete the progress. Okay, let's go to Open Page and create a new end of day together. Firstly, we need to set up a date and select a ship from address. In this example, we selected a testing address that will show the all open shipments with this shipping address before the date we set up are counted by the carriers. Now, if the all information is correct, we can select the shipment to close. Let's take the NDI as the example. Select Close Shipment action buttons. Select Close. If the information is correct and after closing successfully, please switch to the closed page and select the shipment we closed just now. Click Print Selection button, select the machine, and click the Print button to complete the printing. Once you have finished this, you have completed all the steps for printing an end-of-day form. Finally, as a reminder, the end-of-day feature is only available for a CubeWork user. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to create an end-of-day form. If you would like to learn more about other item applications, please take a look at our extensive library of tutorial content.